This is ranch life, y'all. It's been so windy. One of our barns got flipped over onto its roof. It crushed the fence that separated the female goats and ponies from the male goats. So here's the smushed fencing that I'm sure my dad will be out there fixing in the next couple of days. So these are Nigerian dwarf goats. And then we have 2 miniature Shetland ponies. We also have 2 Kune pigs back there in the back. You can't see them, though. One of the mama goats had babies just a week ago, actually. She had 3. We lost one of them. So we have 2 babies. There's one right there. So sweet.